Let me show you how to solve this indefinite integral question step by step. We are asked to find the integral of 3x squared multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 5 dx. Now, please pay attention. The first step, let's write the question. Integral of 3x squared multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 5 dx. The first step is that since we are using u substitution method, we have to set u equals to the function inside this parenthesis. I'm going to have u equals to x raised to the power of 3 plus 1, right? Let u equals to x raised to the power of 3 plus 1. That means that the integral will becomes 3x squared u raised to the power of 5 dx. Is that not it? Now, let us find the derivative of u with respect to x. Du all over dx will be equals to 3x raised to the power of 2, right? The next step is that you have to make dx the subject of the relation. So we are going to have du equals to 3x raised to the power of 2 dx, right? To get the x, divide both sides by 3x squared. So this over 3x squared. Dx is equals to du all over 3x squared. Now, the next step is that you are going to replace the value of dx as du over 3x squared in this equation. So the integral becomes 3x squared u raised to the power of 5. Instead of dx, we are going to replace it as du all over 3x squared. So we are going to have du over 3x squared. This integral can be written as integral of 3x squared u raised to the power of 5 du this over 3x squared, right? This can eliminate this. So we're going to have the integral of u raised to the power of 5 du. Now, the next step is that you are going to integrate this. If you integrate x raised to the power of n, the integral will be cos x raised to the power of n plus 1 plus c, right? This divided by n plus 1. Is that not it? So we're going to use this law. This is just the general formula for integration, you understand? So now if you want to integrate this, we're going to have u raised to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c, right? Now recall that u is what? X raised to the power of 3 plus 1, right? So we're going to have x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 6, this divided by 6 plus c. Is that not it? Yes. So that means the integration, please pay attention, the integral of 3x squared multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 5 dx is equals to x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 6 this over 6 plus c, which is the final answer. Do you understand? You can see that the solution is simple. If you want to learn more on how to find the integration of how to evaluate a definite integral using u substitution method, there is a playlist on our YouTube channel that comprises videos on it. Just check the playlist and watch all the videos to gain a comprehensive understanding on this topic, okay? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, ensure that you share this video to your friends or anybody that needs it, okay? See you in the next class.